Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Thermomix TM31. In this video, we will cover the essential steps to diagnose and fix common issues with this versatile kitchen appliance. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a set of spanners, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging the Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety. Next, remove the base by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. As you remove the screws, keep them in a small container to prevent losing them. Once the base is off, you will have access to the internal components. Inspect the wiring for any visible damage or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it's crucial to address them before proceeding. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert advice on the matter. Next, let's focus on cleaning the internal parts. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe down the motor and other components. Be careful not to use any harsh chemicals, as they can damage the appliance. Regular cleaning can prevent many issues from arising in the first place. Now, let's check the blades. If they are dull or not spinning correctly, they may need to be replaced. To do this, carefully unscrew the blade assembly using your spanners. Once removed, inspect the blades for wear and tear. If they are damaged, you can order replacements online or contact us for assistance. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. After addressing the blades, reassemble the Thermomix by reversing the steps taken earlier. Ensure all screws are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. If you encounter any difficulties during the reassembly, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Thermomix serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, once everything is back in place, plug in your Thermomix and test it to ensure it's functioning correctly. If it still doesn't work as expected, it may be time to consult a professional. Remember, we are here to help with any repairs you may need. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in understanding how to repair your Thermomix TM31 effectively. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.